Hello students, we are going to start the new topic, that is mole concept, and the name of the chapter is some basic concept of chemistry. Okay, in general we buy certain things either by number or by mass. For example, we generally buy oranges, eggs, bananas, etc. by number, by dozens. We buy most of our vegetables by mass, gram or kilogram. The unit we choose to express the quantity, just a matter of convenience. Incidentally, you will be amazed to know that a supermarket of USA, Canada, bananas are sold by weight and not by number as done here in our country. The mole is a concept of the quantity in terms of number and mass, which relates the mass of a material to the number of atoms, ions or molecules. 1 mole hydrogen atom equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen atom. 1 mole hydrogen molecule equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen molecules. 1 mole of sodium ions equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 sodium ion, and 1 mole electron equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. This number is called Avogadro number and is symbolized by N. In other words, a mole is an Avogadro number of particles. Okay, thank you.